Welcome to Phenomenal Base LMS. Here's a quick and easy guide to help you sign up in just a few steps. First, visit our official website at maaledu.com. Next, click on the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. Now, enter your details. Make sure to save your password somewhere safe for future access. Once you have filled in everything, click Sign Up to complete the process. A verification link will be sent to your registered email. Check your inbox and click Verify Email Address to activate your account. Congratulations! Your account is now verified. Return to the homepage, log in, and start your learning journey with us. And that's it. Stay tuned for the next video.